Hi guys, Don here again, and I want to tell you a little story. I've been asked why I do these videos. What got me into it? Well, it goes a little deeper than what you may think. In October of 2015, I had a massive heart attack. Heart attack I didn't realize I was having. Not good. And I would say I was sweating profusely, which I found out later that was one of the signs that I didn't know about. Well, long story short, I spent 3 weeks in the hospital. I think I had about every test known to man done to me to figure out not only what the problem was, but how serious it was. Well, I had to have a triple bypass, but not only were my arteries blocked, I had severe heart damage. That's why I was in the hospital 3 weeks, so my heart could heal. And this doctor said I needed a lot of bed rest, so my heart had to heal. And then the third week, which was shortly before Thanksgiving, I had the surgery. Now, people said, my son called me and said, "Dad, aren't you nervous?" Well, no, I wasn't. And here's why. When I first went in the hospital and I came to my senses realizing I was going to have surgery, yes, I was a little nervous. I couldn't believe it was happening to me. You know how that feeling goes. It never happens to you. But my son asked me, "Are you nervous?" I said, "No." The reason why? I had Jesus with me. Now, before you get all going, "Oh, I'm not this guy's a Jesus thumper, Bible thumper." No, I'm a Christian, and I believe in the Lord Jesus as my Lord and Savior. Simple. A lot of people do. I do, because He saved my life several times. First, when I found Him, I was saved, and then, literally, I was saved when I had my heart surgery. But what got to me? I was in the hospital for 3 weeks, like I said, and a lot of the nurses saw that I wasn't nervous, and several remarked to me and said, "You're not nervous about the upcoming, what they call it, the cabbage," which I found out later that meant heart surgery. And I said, "No, I'm not." He said, "Well, most people in your predicament are nervous, very nervous, and we have to get them sometimes some sedatives." I said, "No, I'm not." "Well, why?" I said, "Because I have Jesus with me." Well, I felt that the surgery, I was in a win-win situation. If I died on the table, which the doctor said possibly could have, I had a 75% chance of making it. But I felt if I was called home, I was a winner. If I came through okay, I was a winner too. So it was a win-win situation. But after the surgery, several months after I was home, I was thinking, and let me tell you, the shock, the depression after heart surgery is real. And I didn't believe it. The doctors told me I would have depression. Well, I did. But anyway, that being said, I felt that I had to do something to give back. And what it meant, I had to give back to. And I felt somewhere through the church, through my photography, I would love to. I even have a shirt that says something to the effect that God makes it and I take the picture. So, because that's beautiful. That's the truth. A lot of this morning's the sunrises are just gorgeous that the Lord paints. And I want to expose that. I want to picture it. I want to share that with people. But one day in church, it just like a bolt of lightning came to me. And we have a website, and they have been putting audio tapes on there of the sermon. Well, I felt, okay, here's my give back. I wanted to do videotaping of the service. Now my camera, being the Sony, was very capable of doing it. But when I first started, I wasn't too capable of doing it. My first many months of videotaping the service left a lot to be desired. There's jerky. It wasn't, I say, put together right. The editing was poor. But over the year and a half, I feel I've gotten much better. A lot of it due to the equipment. I got a fluid ball head tripod which you can easily glide back and forth on panning, rather than the other time was jerking and so forth. I got remote microphones, so I could put a lapel mic right on the faster, didn't have to use a shotgun mic. So things have gotten better. I've developed a little bit different style of editing, so they're looking pretty good. Still, not the best. By far, I'm not a professional videographer, but I'm getting some better, at least I think I am. But that's what happened. That's why I started doing these videos as a give back. Vlogging is a give back? Yeah, because I can tell my story. What better medium can you have to tell a story of what you're going through, what you've been through, what you want to do, your life changes through this YouTube channel. And yes, the church videos are going quite well. We've got a lot of people looking at them, a lot of hits on our church website, and a lot of people have commented how much the videos have changed their life. Even one video I had I know went over to Britain. We had a couple church members that went to Britain, and they were talking about a church, and they pulled it up on YouTube, and so they were able to see them over in Britain, which I thought was great. But to end this, I just want to say I'm very thankful to my Lord. Thankful that I'm spared, thankful that I'm still around, that I can do this. Thankful I'm able to give back. Give back something I feel that can help others. The church videos is, I feel, one of my ministries. And also photography. Yeah, I've been a photographer many years, but I really haven't used it to the glory of God. I've made a lot of money on weddings. True, that's was the name of the game, a vocation. And you see a lot of photographers out there able to travel, do a lot of traveling, showing the beautiful pictures of where they've gone. Through Scotland, Ireland, British Columbia, Canada, Bali, and so forth. They're beautiful. I really enjoy it, watching these. But I'm sicker closer to home right now, photographing God's work here around home. I hope this has been an inspiration to you. I meant it to be. And I hope you like and share this, because there's many, many more videos of what I feel good content to come. So like and share, and I do appreciate you watching. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.